In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a stunning design on Canva. First things first, navigate to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. It's quick and free. Just follow the prompts they provide. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create your canvas. For this tutorial, we'll use a canvas sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for Instagram posts and other social media platforms, ensuring your design looks crisp and professional. Now let's dive into adding some text. Click on the text tool in Canva to start typing the words you want on your design. Feel free to experiment with different text placements to find what best fits your concept. Once you've got your text roughly in place, it's time to customize it to make it truly your own. Look up to the floating toolbar at the top. This is where all the magic happens. Begin by selecting the font style you like best from the extensive list that Canva provides. Fonts can change the whole vibe of your design, so take a moment to try a few before settling on one. Next up, we'll change the color of the text to better match your design's theme. Simply click on the text color icon located on the toolbar, and you'll see a palette of colors to choose from. Whether you want a bold pop of color or a subtle pastel, you're sure to find something that catches your eye. Don't forget to keep your overall theme in mind as you choose. Consistency is key in design. Once your color is set, it's time to add some effects for a bit of flair. Check out the effects panel for options like shadow, lift, or even a neon glow to make your text stand out even more. For this example, let's try adding an outline to your text. This effect can really make your text pop, but don't forget to adjust the thickness and color of the outline to ensure it complements the rest of your design. Now here's a nifty trick. If you have multiple text elements that you want to format the same way, you don't have to repeat each step manually. Click on your customized text, hover over the floating toolbar, and find the paint roller icon on the rightmost side. This is the copy style tool. Give it a click, or simply press Ctrl plus D Alt plus V, and then click on the text where you want to apply the same style. Repeat this for any other text elements on your canvas to maintain uniformity across your design. Now finally, take a step back and review your work. If everything looks good, then congratulations. You've just created a beautifully custom design using Canva.